Hey y'all, it's boy Joe. Welcome back to Anomalous Scholarship. Today doing Cup of Futility. We go. Futility. It tastes like stale air, empty and flavorless, as if I'm swallowing nothing at all. An overwhelming sense of pointlessness engulfs me. I can't shake the feeling that everything is slipping away, unraveling beyond my grasp. Oh! Okay. This is called a sickly neat, like NEET. I don't really see anything off. I mean, she might have like eye bags. Although that's supposed to be more illustrated glasses. Just not the greatest art design of glasses, but yeah. Yeah, you sound desperate. Alright, anyways, that is the Cup of Futility. If you enjoyed this episode, please stay tuned for the next video. Bye bye.